Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really cute shadow box for you. This is my Building a Snowman shadow box. How adorable is that little scene? You have the cute little boy or girl. Just looking at how wonderful of a job they did with building that cute little snowman. You have the snowy background in the back and this fun frame here in the front. Just a really fun winter themed shadow box. This one is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, your shadow box, foam squares in case you want to add some dimension between the layers, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holidays with the Housewife 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, the download button will be located on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file for this project in my shop, or purchase the VIP Access Pass that gives you access to all 12 event files, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and commercial licensing. You'll be able to find more information on both of those options in the video description below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using. So that is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this project on a card or in a different shadow box, you can change the size here in the sizing options. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now we do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the pale blue, light blue, regular blue, skin tone, black or dark blue, yellow, red, white or gray, and then green. You can totally add foam squares behind each one of these layers, but it's all up to you. I'm just going to layer everything inside the shadow box. So I'll go ahead and grab that right now. I've added the little pins onto the backing piece, and now I'm just going to go ahead and layer up the design. And now I'll take the backing piece and attach that and close up the shadow box. And there is our shadow box. Wasn't this really fun to put together? I love the little scene because not only can this be a great project for Christmas time, but it also is a great project to have out for the winter so that you can keep it out for all of those winter months. Just a really fun one to make. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye-bye.